following county: Riverside, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California. And flash flood warning for the following county: Riverside, California. The National Weather Service
last did it on the 4th of July. My expectations. One tap on the
in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Gate,
Los Angeles. Says more. Climate change.
Source: gauges reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include northwestern Palm Springs, Mount San Jacinto State Park, Highway 243 between Banning and Idlewild, northwestern Desert Hot Springs, Whitewater,